has this hole and you have to like do, can you see that? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, as the title suggests, you have already read that. So I'm going to share with you all my recent purchase. So these products are some of our hair care products, some are skin care products and some are makeup of course. So I'm going to share with you all, there are not a lot of products that I'm going to share, but yes, there are a few. And also this is not going to be a detailed review video. For a detailed review video, I'm going to show you all these products on my face. Like I'm gonna apply them and show them the results of these products. So this is just, I'm gonna introduce these products to you. And also they are not all the new products that I'm using. They are like launched a few years back, but I haven't used these products at all. So these all are new for me. If you are using them or if you have used them, then please do not forget to comment down below and let me know how you feel about that product. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Alright, so in particular order, I'm gonna share first my hair care product, then skincare and then makeup. So first, starting with the product is from Mamaearth. This is their Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum with onion and biotin. So this is a product that I have bought. This is the first time that I'm using this product. Also, all the prices of these products will be there on the screen, and also I'm gonna share the link in the description box, so please do not forget to check that. So I have been using this product for about a month now. Yes, I bought all them a month back, and now I finally got the time to introduce and review these products. It is white in color, like you can see, and it smells same as the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask. Like I am currently using that mask, and it has a gel sort of consistency, and the smell is same as that of onion hair mask. So yeah, for full detail and full review you have to watch the another video. And now comes the skincare. So first I have this face wash from The Face Shop. So it is their Jeju Volcanic Lava face wash. So yes, I have read a lot of reviews on this product. I have heard some good things about this product, so I really wanted to try it. I wanted to try its scrub as well because that's like a lot of hype in the market. But first I just thought of trying this face wash, and it is like a very muddy sort of color. And also it has a very mild fragrance, and I love those products that has mild fragrance. And also it is a cream based product, not a gel based, and I have been using it for like the same 1 month now. And yes, for the full review, watch the another video. The next product that I have with me is again from The Face Shop. This is their Rice Water Toner, and this is how it looks like. So yes, I have again heard a lot of good things about this toner as well. Like The Face Shop itself is a really awesome brand, and it makes some awesome products as well. Whether it comes to skincare or tints or face sheet masks, whatever. So this is 150 ml, I believe. Yes, this is 150 ml, and I think it is priced at rupees 900 or 1000 something. Like I honestly do not remember price of any of the products, so I'm gonna leave it on the screen. And it is water based. Obviously this is a toner, but it is very thick. Like you can see, it is not as runny as water, it is thick. The fragrance is really good. Like it's really good. Just one thing that I have complained about this product is that it do not comes in a spray bottle, so it is like very unhygienic to get this product like this way. It is like all over the place. So this is the one thing that I didn't like about this range, rice water range. Apart from that, it is a really awesome product. Now the next product that I have with me is again from The Face Shop, and it is in the same range like the rice water range, and this is their moisturizing emulsion. So again, I was looking for a toner as well as moisturizer, so I thought of buying the same brand and from the same range. That's why I opted for rice water. And again, the same complaint, it do not have a pump kind of thing. Like earlier I was using its chia seed moisturizer, and it has a pump sort of packaging, which I really love because it is very convenient to get the product in the right amount, like the amount you need. But with this, what happens is like it has this hole and you have to like do, can you see that? It is all over the place every time I use it. So just one complaint about this product is that it do not has a pump packaging, but if you can see, it has a white color and it is very hydrating and it leaves your skin with a subtle glow. You can see how hydrating it is. So now the last product in skincare slot, I have this serum. This is from Good Vibes and it is their vitamin C and vitamin B3 serum. So yes, again I've heard a lot of YouTubers going gaga over this product, like it is a really good product, that's what I have heard. So I thought of buying this and it is really very inexpensive. This is the one thing that I loved about it, because vitamin C serums generally they are priced at rupees 700 or above, but it is like I got it for rupees 300 something, like I'm gonna list the price below. So the first thing that I loved about it, it has a glass bottle, like it is really good to store vitamin C kind of products in a glass bottle rather than a plastic bottle. Also it has this dropper, so it is very convenient and it is very handy to, you know, apply this product all over your face. And also it is oil based, like it is pure oil, like you can see. So once I apply this serum, I don't feel a need of applying moisturizer, but because I want to follow my CTM routine, so I do apply moisturizer. But yes, it is itself very moisturizing. Also there is one more thing that I've purchased recently. So these are the Tinkle razors. So I've never used Tinkle razors before. I was using Miniso razor or I was using a wheat trimmer. But I've heard a lot of good things again about this product. So I thought of, you know, buying it, and actually it is really very good. And it comes in a packaging of these three beautiful razors. I really love the color, like blue, yellow, pink. And now let's talk about the makeup. So first product that I have in makeup are these products from PAC. So this is the PAC eyelash and I think I am in the variant Mink Lash N74. So I was really in need of lashes, like earlier until now I'm using magnetic eyelashes. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. So yes, because it is really convenient to apply these magnetic eyelashes rather than glue. I suck applying glue eyelashes. I have already tried applying glue eyelashes, but I always failed in applying that, so I opted for magnetic eyelashes. I have two. So I got this lash fixer. This is the PAC one. So I've heard a lot of people saying that applying eyelashes with this kind of glue is really very handy, because it is a sort of eyeliner, like if you can see. It has an eyeliner brush, so it is very convenient to apply it as an eyeliner and then apply your eyelashes over it. So I'm definitely gonna try it and then I'm gonna tell you whether it is worth buying or not. So now the next product that I have with me is again from PAC, and it is their Take Cover Concealer. So this is the PAC Take Cover Concealer and I'm in the shade Stark Nude, I guess. Yes, so I'm in the shade Stark Nude, like if you can see. So I haven't tried this concealer yet and I am going to, give you first impression of this concealer. So it comes in like this sort of packaging, like it has a doe foot applicator. So yes, I'm really looking forward to it. Now the next product that I have with me is this primer from Swiss Beauty. So I'm really loving Swiss Beauty brand. It always comes with super affordable products, and that too in a very good quality. So this is their Real Makeup Base Primer and I am in the shade Natural, I believe. So it is a sort of very illuminating primer and I really love this packaging. Like it looks so luxurious, and also it is really very sturdy and it is a glass bottle, so you have to handle it with care. And it comes with this kind of applicator, like you have to apply it like this. I thought it would come with a pump sort of packaging, but no. But this is, oh yes, it has a pump. I haven't checked it yet, so yes, it has a pump. And now I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So this is how this primer looks like. So it is white in color, and I've just seen a video of this primer, like once you apply it on your face, it will turn out, okay, it will turn out something like this. This is amazing. You must see this. Like, it is so luminous, it is so glowy, it is so hydrated. So yes, that's what I wanted, that's what I have seen. So this is the reason why I bought this primer, and it smells really very nice. And yeah, I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna review it in another video. So now the next product that I have with me is this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. Earlier I was using Nykaa Brow Chica Wow eyebrow pencil, and it was a really awesome pencil, but now I am done with it, so I ordered this one. It is very inexpensive, and I am in the shade ash brown. And I always look for an eyebrow pencil that has the swirly with it, and then it must be retractable. So this is how it looks like. Alright, so now we are left with the two products, and these two both are from Wet n Wild. So this one is their Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick. So this is basically a highlighter stick. So this is basically a cream highlighter. Like, I really love to top my powder highlighter over a cream highlighter, because this is how it makes your highlighter pop. Like, this is what I have done right now, and you can see how amazing it is looking right now. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Like, can you see that? It is super awesome, and I'm really loving it. Like, it looks so beautiful. So let me blend it to see how it looks like once it is blended well. Yes, so you can see it is looking very beautiful. And now the last and the final product that I have with me is again from Wet n Wild, and it is their dual stick, and it is a contour stick. So you get this contour at one end and a highlighter or a concealer at the other end. So it looks something like this. So this is how the contour shade looks like, and it is really very beautiful. It will go well with my skin tone. So this is for the high points of my face. Like, I'm gonna conceal and highlight with this. So this is how it looks like, and I think it is a way too fairer for me, but yeah, definitely I'm gonna work with it. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and that's all I have to show you, and I'm really looking forward to all these products. And if you guys are currently using these products or you have used them in the past, then do let me know in the comment section below how they are, what you feel about these products, and I'll see you in my next video.